Good morning, all of you. Now, children, I am going to explain the type of muscle. For better understanding the type of muscle, we must know about the muscle. We can say about the muscle. Muscle is a type of tissue made up by contractive cells or fibers which provides the movement to the organs or part of the body by contraction method. It is all about your muscles. Now, children, there are three types of muscles. First, a striped muscle. Its other name, voluntary muscles. Second, unstriped muscles or a smooth muscles, and others name involuntary muscles. And last, cardiac muscles, and its other name, heart muscle. It is, and these are three types of muscles. Now first, a striped muscles. Now children, these muscles are attached to the bones and make them move. They are called a striped muscle or voluntary muscles. They are within our control. We can move them when we want. Now, example, like as a leg, like as a neck, like as a arm, hand, so on. We use these muscles in jumping, walking, running, lifting a load, writing, so on. Now children, look at the blackboard. I have put it a figure. That figure is related with a striped muscle. Children, when you will study through the microscope, now again, children, when you will study this type of muscle through the microscope, we get nucleus and band-like structure. When you will study these muscles in microscope, through the microscope, we get in these muscles nucleus and band-like structure. That band-like structure looks like light or dark stripe. That is why they are called a striped muscle. It is all about your striped muscle. Now we will see the feature of striped muscles. Now first, the muscles are jointed to the bones of the skeleton and they provide movement. Second point, fatigue comes in them due to continuous working. And last, when we will see through the microscope, we get fiber-like thin thread. That is all about the stripe muscles and feature of stripe muscle. Are you clear? Thank you. Now homework. First question, name the type of muscles. Second question, explain the voluntary muscles. And third question, mind it, why we have called voluntary muscle like a stripe muscle. At last, I will give you the assignment for session 5, which you will download from Google Classroom. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning, all of you. Children, we know that there are 3 types of muscles. First, stripe muscles and its other name voluntary muscle. Second, unstriped muscles, its other name as smooth muscle and involuntary muscles. Now third, cardiac muscles and its other name is heart muscle. Now children, a stripe muscle we have already explained in previous class, but now I am going to explain the second unstriped muscle. We can say about the unstriped muscle, we do not have control over the movement of these muscles. Now again, we can say about the unstriped muscles, we do not have control over the movement of this muscle. They move whether we want it or not. They are called unstriped muscles. Now children, I want to draw your attention on the blackboard. I have drawn a figure, and that figure is related with unstriped muscle. Children, when we see these muscles through microscope, we get the cells of these muscles are a spindle shaped and in pointed end. We are seeing a nucleus in this cell. They are found, or we can say they are present in the wall of blood vessel and the wall of digestive organs, like as a intestine, colon, stomach, so on. They help to push the food in the blood vessel. We can say again, they help to push the food in blood vessels and also help to push the blood they work even when we are at sleep. This is all about your unstriped muscles. So now I am going to explain the feature of unstriped muscles. Now children, again I want to draw your attention on blackboard. We are seeing in figure this cell is just like thin and crossing to each other. So we can say about the feature, its main feature, the main feature of striped muscle, there is that they thin line crossing to each other. Now again we can say about the main feature of the striped muscle. These muscles, these cells are thin line and crossing to each other. This one is the main characteristic feature. Now second, now I want to draw your attention in previous class where I have explained the striped muscle. I have told in striped muscles there are some stripes in that muscles, but we are saying in this figure unstriped muscle, there is no any type of stripe in this cells. So we can say second feature that they have or they do not have a stripe. And third point, they do not tire of working. It is all about your unstriped muscles and its feature. Have you clear? Thank you. Now last, I will give you the assignment for session 6, which you will download in Google Classroom. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everybody. Now children, I am going to explain the cardiac muscle. Its other name, heart muscles. For better understanding the cardiac muscle or heart muscle, we must know about the heart. So now children, we can say about the heart. Heart is an important organ in human beings. It is a hollow muscular type organs in vertebrate which pumps the blood to all parts of the body through circulatory systems by means of regular contraction. It is all about a heart. Now children, I am going to explain the cardiac muscle. We can say about the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are found only in heart. They have very strong contraction and work regular throughout our life. We have or we do not have control over the heart movement and beat. It is all about your cardiac muscles. Now children, I want to draw your attention on blackboard. I have printed a diagram. That diagram is related with cardiac muscles. When we see the cardiac muscle through microscope, we get these cardiac muscles are involuntary in nature, but their shape is different from involuntary muscles. Now, children, the cells of the muscle have band-like structure. Now children, I want to draw your attention on the figure. We can say about the figure, the muscles, the cell of the muscles have band-like structure. They looks like dark band and light band. We can see in another word, they have band-like structure, that is dark and light stripes. We can say again, they have a stripe, nucleus and branches. We do not have control over heart movement or beat. It is all about your cardiac muscles. Now, children, I want to explain the feature of cardiac muscle. Now, children, look at the blackboard. We can say according to the figure, we are seeing in the figure, there are so many branches. So we can say the first feature, these muscles have more branches. Now, second point, we can say the muscles make myocardium in the heart, and third, these are with automatic and respective way. And last feature, we can say that we do not have control over heart movement or beat. It is all about your picture. So now homework. Explain the cardiac muscles with suitable diagram. Next question. Explain or draw only cardiac diagram, cardiac muscle diagram, and mention its all parts. Have you clear? Thank you. At last, I will give you the assignment for session 7, which you download from Google Classroom. Thank you and have a nice day.